I know you didn't have to make a Word document for this course project, but I did anyway, so you could see more visually of what I was talking about and the differences between the websites. The New York City website is a big city with a lot of people and problems. The website will show pictures like this in their hometown. The hospitals will have many professional professions and specialties as there are many different patients they serve daily. On the website, you will be able to set appointments or connect with doctors in the hospital. Perspective framing of New York's website will be to give the patients an easier way of making appointments and to show information about the help they offer to their patients. New York's emotional appeal is even though they have an overpopulated area, the hospitals make sure they give their patients the best treatment and the utmost respect. Hospitals like New York have to be quick, constant, and good with their daily operations. So, a little quicker overview of the New York photos. New York is a closed city, everything's closed. Their hospital is big. This one shows a lot of emergency ambulances because of the busy area and a big hospital. Miami Hospital website. The two photos I used were with palm trees in them, and this one looks a little bit more nicer with palm trees in the back and just a nice overall hospital. This looks like a normal hospital in the middle of Miami. Miami hospitals have a tropical feel with palm trees and blazing sun, but still need to have top of the line hospitals and medical resources because Miami is a bigger city with a lot of traffic. Miami has more hospitals than others and may refer you to another hospital or clinic to get treated for your issue. On their website, they will have the other resources and partner hospitals that they use. Miami's perspective framing is to make it as comfortable as possible, the website, and to make it feel the hospitals are there to help find the right place for you to get treated in a beautiful scene, tropical setting. Miami's website will show how the hospitals connect with their patients, and not only do they help them with the problems they come in for, but they help them with the past and future problems that might come about. Phoenix Hospital website photos. Phoenix is a nice town that treats their patients good. This is a nice hospital within the city, and this looks like a outside clinic that they would send you to, but a bigger clinic. The culture for Phoenix is an open state with some city area and desert areas. In order to treat all the cities in Phoenix area, hospitals still need to be large enough to and equipped it properly to treat everyone living in the cultural area. The perspective Phoenix gives is the ability to walk into the clinic and get treated you need without hassle. You are in good hands and there is nothing the hospital cannot help their patients with. Phoenix has an emotional appeal that each hospital is good and will treat you with the utmost respect and best treatment. Denver, Colorado. Denver, Colorado is in the mountain state but has tons of people. The state is more of an upscale state with the right amount of business, homes, and medical care in this case. The hospital Denver will use for their website will be a children's hospital that has tremendous outcomes ratings. Denver's perspective is to keep their patients happy with the service they are giving and have the best hospitals for everyone. Children have their own hospitals with special doctors that are trained for them. As adults, there are just as nice of hospitals that focus on their main problems. Denver's people are attracted to this children's hospital due to their past help that has been provided for their local area of residence. So this is a children's hospital in Denver, Colorado that is fairly big and can treat a lot of kids. And then they have their regular hospitals that look about the same and do about the same thing, but they just focus on this hospital just focuses on children and the other hospital focuses more on adults. In conclusion, all these hospitals need to have more of a personal feel for people who want to see more of people pictures, but I feel the culture and feel of the hometown is better than the same hospital for every web page.